we are going to discuss about an AR. Can you share what you know about AR? Okay, shall we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain?
First of all, AR is an augmented reality. It is a technology that overlays digital informations and images onto a real world. Devices like a smartphone, tablet, etc. First of all, AR enhance the real world like ritual objects and sounds and creating more impressive experiences to us.
Good. And next, how does AR works?
AR working as involves three steps. First is sensing, recognition and display. The sensing can be done by camera or a sensor. Then it recognizes the input. Then it will display on your screen or your glasses.
And next,
Marker-based tracking in augmented reality uses predefined visual markers like QR code or images to anchor and position the visual content in the real world.
and next,
First of all, the AR in cloud is contains of data. In AR, there are many types of models and rendering visuals and images. There are stored in cloud data. It can be more smooth and reliable to use in our devices without any storage of local memory.
good. And next,
AR software makes us to use in digital world and all the places. Make the sensor and GPS positions.
and next,
AR hardware components are that can be touched. For example, display, input devices.
and next,
Interactive and creative, engaging way for users to interact with digital products and services.
good.
Marker-based tracking is one of the important tracking methods. This is used to pay the payment using the QR and barcode.
And next,
Markerless AR systems is used to identify a surface object with the help of device camera and sensor.
and next,
AR and VR is an impressive technology. There are both difference are AR with VR. The real world of AR is AR overlays digital information into the real world. VR effective creating of their view of the real world.
and next,
Hardware components. Display access such as smart glasses.
next,
The software development means provide tools and applications in the AR. The company here include AR kits, Apple, AR Pro, Google,
before your SDK. And next,
Applications of augmented reality is used for medical training, such as surgeries and anatomies for medical use, and it is used for architects and real estate, like overlay display modeling for physical use.
very good. And next,
AR content refer to augmented reality contents, which is visual information to real thoughts like device like smartphone, tablets, AR glasses, AR content like games, navigation, 3D models.
good. And next,
AR hardware components are several components. AR processor, display, sensor, optics, power, connectivity, thermal system.
good. And next,
AR uses camera, sensors, and AI to analyze hand and finger movements like pinch and to analyze hand movements and gestures to trigger actions.
and next,
Here software components, several components. AR engine, AR engine is AR engine SLAM, AR engine SLAM platform tracking system, platform engine, platform with the API, CMS, computer vision, scene understanding.
AI applications are used in various fields like healthcare, education, automotive, and tech.
MR is nothing but it is a combination of AR, VR and XR. It is a technology that blends the real world with digital content.
Good. And next.
AR software are input processing and output. AR works by adding digital content like images, sounds, 3D models, etc. It is the technology that is virtual objects to the real world.
Next.
Hardware components are display, camera, sensor. Example of display: smart glasses, cameras here only, and sensor GPS.
And next.
AI used in various fields like manufacturing companies. It reduces the operational efficiency, improves the operational efficiency and reduce costs, and make the product more quality and stable. AI output components is display devices used for internet AI components. Example like touch screen.
And next.
How AR works in gesture. Example, camera sensor. It captures our real-time environment, including our hands and body.
And next.
History of AR. In 1968, Sutherland introduces the first head-mounted glass. In 1999, AR toolkit was introduced. It's an open software, and we can access for AR experiences.
Good. And next.
So the difference between AR and VR: AR adds digital elements to your reality, and VR replaces your reality entirely virtual environment.
Next.
AR and UI designs are interact with physical world devices like smartphones and phones.
Good. And next.
AR and UX. AR overlays digital element, image, text, 3D models, etc. onto the user-able environment.
And next.
Created in 1990, Sutherland creates the first remote glass of AR.
And next.
Location-based tracking in AR. Location-based tracking in AR knows where you are real time. By using sensors, GPS and beacons is nothing but it transmits small radio signals to nearby areas.
Good. And next.
VR is a technology that using a fake 3D world is computer is experience that using a special concepts.
And next.
Hardware tracking is to process of presenting specific visual patterns or objects, video or real-time scene. Example, QR code and bar.
Yes. Good. QR code is the best example for market tracking. And next.
MR is both AR and VR both mixed and get the output.
Combination of AR and VR. And next.
Location-based tracking is for the GPS to determines to correct location of person and object and any other things to track each other.
And next.
AR useful for assembles and maintains the medical device and equipment. It is also aided at training healthcare professionals the use of complex machinery.
Good. And next.
The location-based tracking in augmented reality using real-world geographical data like GPS and compass and other sensors.
Good. And next.
Used in AR augmented reality. Marker-based tracking is used in scanning QR and barcode. The camera detects the marker and
After calculate the position like amount or address of company.
And next.
Explain about how AI works in automotive industry. For example, we use augmented reality and end of AI application.
Virtual reality. It replaces the real world. It is a three-dimensional environment which can be interacted by using special equipments like VR headsets, motion sensor, and hand controls.
So I conclude this section by introducing all the functions of the augmented reality. So augmented reality is basically the overlaying into the real environment by using some softwares by creating 3D models. It's different from other sources like VR, MR, and XR. VR is actually replacing the whole entire real world into a virtual world, and MR is the using of the both AR and VR features, and XR is the extended reality which uses all the features of AR, VR, and MR. Thank you.